Yeah.
I'm gonna hurry up before he get in here.
Hey, what's up?
Let me call you
Hey,
right back.
hello?
Right back.
Who you talking to?
Shelly.
I got something for you.
Hey, babe, what are you doing home?
I got something for you. Yup.
Do you know how to
Yup.
Babe,
It's all you.
babe, what is in here? What's in here?
It's your gift, boo.
I'm gonna try to guess first. Like, it's light, so it gotta be my keys. You got me that car?
I got something better than that.
Babe, you got me that car?
I got something better than that. Yep. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yep. I know you surprised, right? You surprised, right?
Camera.
No. Take it out. Show it.
Babe, why would you?
Same thing I said. That's crazy because the same thing I said was like, why would you? Bro, this whole time I'm at work. I got 2 jobs.
So, babe,
I'm busting my ass for you. Really? You, this is what you doing?
Wait, let me talk to you.
No. Don't talk to me. Don't bathe me. None of that. Huh? I've been literally working hard. And I'm sitting here thinking something wrong with my junk. Huh? I've been busting up the club and all that.
Even put it
trying
in a
to
bag
get...
like this. I don't even... Why would you do that? Why? How did you... What?
What? Spit it out, queen.
Like, just why? Why would you...
That's the
how
same...
Did you...
Queen, please, because you about to piss me off, man. This whole time you making...
Stop recording me. Stop filming me.
Recording, film.
Stop doing it.
No, bro. I'm going to let everybody know what you're doing. You're trifling ass, yo.
I did nothing.
This is why my mama told me not to get with you. Huh? My mom told me.
Mama?
Yes, my mama. Yes.
The same mama that told us not to get this house? Really?
I see why my mama do that, though. I see why my mama do that.
So now it shows how you really feel.
How?
You the whole time.
Queen, don't try to flip this on me, man. See, this is what you always do. You always don't even take responsibility for what you do out here, Queen. Huh?
I'm over here trying to enjoy. This is our anniversary. What?
It was.
Let's deal with this tomorrow.
Ain't no more anniversaries.
I don't feel like.
You don't feel like what, Queen? The fact that I come.
All right, so that was part 1. Shorty cheeked up. Nah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check out part 2.
This is why my mama told me not to get with you. Huh? My mom told me.
Mama?
Yes, my mama. Yes.
The same mama that told us not to get this house? Really?
I see why my mama do that, though. I see why my mama do that.
So now it shows how you really feel.
How?
You the whole time.
Queen, don't try to flip this on me, man. See, this is what you always do. You always don't even take responsibility for what you do out here, Queen. Huh?
I'm over here trying to enjoy. This is our anniversary. What?
It was.
Let's deal with this tomorrow.
Ain't no more anniversaries.
I don't feel like.
You don't feel like what, Queen? The fact that I come home, literally, I came home, I was gonna surprise you. You know what I did with your real gift? I gave it away. Huh? I had a real gift. Yes. Bro, I literally come home, I'm sweeping up, trying to clean up the spot, and boom. Look at that. Huh? The ass doesn't even take out no trash. You see that?
Who goes through the trash? Who goes through the trash?
Queen, I was sweeping up, and I see the dirt, and I see that right there. I'm like, what the hell is this? Boom. Yup. Your ass been popping in pills. Popping these pills. The whole time, Queen, I'm thinking I can't get you pregnant.
Who to win? How we gonna deal with a child right now? You have no time. You have no time. You have no time.
Queen, I
so
work.
You gotta put it on me. I'm not raising no child for myself. No,
you made it seem like I couldn't have no kid, Queen.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Oh well, I don't care. I did it for the best of us. You're not ready for no child.
I'm not ready for no child. Your ass ain't ready. And so why you sitting there telling me you wanted a kid? You wanted a kid. Hey, nah, don't push the camera away. Nah. Let the people see what type of female you is.
Don't do it.
Dad, go get all your stuff. Get out my house.
I'm not going nowhere.
Get out my house.
I'm telling you, I'm not going. Don't touch me.
Grab all your stuff.
No, don't
get out my house. Get out my stuff.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, you is. Get your bags out my house. Get everything out my house. Grab all your stuff.
All right, so let's go ahead and go over this. I feel like I was watching a bad episode on Tubi. But you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and take this thing for face value. Say for instance, if somebody do get into a situation like this, because we do know that things like this most certainly do happen. It's important that you have conversations like these, really, really serious conversations early on, and ask the person that you plan on being with, being around, ask them, do you want to have children? Y'all got to make sure y'all align with that person that you're sleeping in the bed with every night. Have these conversations. Your boy probably should have waited. Like, listen. Let me go ahead and go ahead and get this little anniversary night out the way before we get into it.
You some freaky ass nigga!
Like, even if you check down in the comments, you even have some young ladies that's basically saying, yo, I don't understand why she couldn't just be honest. I don't understand why people can't just have conversations and just keep it real and allow people to make the decision on whether they want to choose to stay or not. But I want to hear from y'all, man. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments? Do y'all think that the guy was wrong, or do y'all think that she was wrong? Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.